Hello everyone and welcome to Fida Trade Academy. I am so glad you are here today. In this session, we are going to explore the world of finance together from the very beginning. Our mission here is simple but powerful. We want to empower you with the knowledge you need to take control of your financial future. Knowledge is the first step toward freedom. Have you ever wondered why some people work very hard all their lives and still struggle with money while others seem to make their money grow with ease? It is not just about luck, it is about strategy. The truth is that most people were never taught how money actually works. We spend years in school learning about history and science, but very few of us ever receive a single lesson on how to manage our own wealth. In this video, we are going to fix that. We will learn about saving and investing. We will look at financial markets, and finally, we will demystify cryptocurrency in very simple words. Think of me as a friend who has spent years studying this, and now I am sitting down with you to share everything I have learned. So take a deep breath and let us begin this journey. Imagine you work every month and receive your salary. This is your hard-earned income. Most people immediately use that money to pay their bills, to buy food for their families, and to cover daily expenses. After all those costs are covered, they try to save whatever is left at the end of the month. Now, there is absolutely nothing wrong with saving. It is a great habit to have. But saving alone has a hidden problem. That problem is called inflation. Imagine that a loaf of bread cost $1 many years ago. Today, that same loaf of bread might cost $4. The bread has not changed, but the value of your money has. If your money just stays in a bank account or under your mattress and does not grow, then over time it actually loses its value. You can buy less tomorrow with the same $100 you have today. That is why simply saving money is not enough for long-term security. To beat inflation and build real wealth, your money also needs an opportunity to grow. And this is exactly where the concept of investing comes in. Investing means putting your money into something that has the potential to increase in value over time. You are essentially letting your money work for you instead of you always working for it. Think of it like planting a seed in a garden. When you first plant that seed, you do not see any results. It is buried in the dark. You might even feel like nothing is happening at all. But you water it, you give it sunlight, and most importantly, you give it time. Growth does not happen overnight. It is a slow and steady process that requires your patience and your care. Eventually, that tiny seed grows into a massive tree that gives you fruit for years to come. This fruit is the return on your investment. It is the wealth that has grown while you were busy living your life. Many people believe that investing is only for the very rich people who already have millions of dollars. But I want to tell you that is simply not true. In today's world, anyone can start. Even small amounts like $10 or $20 can be invested. The most important factor is not how much you start with, but how early you start and how consistent you are in your habits. So where do people go to invest? This is where financial markets come into the picture. Think of a financial market just like a regular marketplace where people meet to buy and sell things. One of the most common markets is the stock market. When you buy a stock, you are buying a small piece of a company. If that company grows and becomes more profitable, then your small piece becomes more valuable too. Then we have gold. For thousands of years, people have used gold to protect their wealth during times of trouble. Gold is limited and it is physical, which is why many investors trust it as a safe haven. There is also the foreign exchange market, or forex. This is the largest market in the world where people trade one currency for another. Every time you travel and exchange your money, you are participating in this market. Finally, we have commodities. These are the raw materials that the world runs on. Oil for our cars, wheat for our bread, and silver for our electronics. These can all be traded in the financial markets. Now let us talk about the newest addition to the financial world, cryptocurrency. You have probably heard the word Bitcoin on the news or from your friends. But what is it really? Cryptocurrency is a form of digital money. Unlike the paper bills in your wallet, it only exists on the internet. It was designed to be a faster, more secure way to send money across the globe. The most important thing about crypto is that it is decentralized. This means it is not controlled by any single bank or government. It is run by a global network of computers that all work together. Behind every cryptocurrency is a technology called blockchain. Think of it as a digital record book that everyone can see but no one can cheat. Every transaction is written down permanently. These records are grouped into blocks, and each block is linked to the one before it, forming a chain. This makes it almost impossible to change the history. This creates incredible security and trust. While the technology is amazing, we must also talk about the risks. Cryptocurrency prices can be like a roller coaster. They can go up very high very fast, but they can also crash just as quickly. Because of this volatility, it is vital that you never invest money that you cannot afford to lose. You should never use your rent money or your food money for high-risk investments like crypto. Sadly, many beginners enter the markets hoping to become rich overnight. They follow random advice from strangers on the internet who promise them guaranteed profits. Please remember, if it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. When people lose money because they were reckless, they often think the whole system is a scam. But the truth is that investing is just part of how the world's economy works. The danger is not the market, but a lack of knowledge. The smartest approach is to learn before you invest. Just like you would not try to drive a car without lessons, you should not try to navigate the financial markets without a basic understanding of the rules. Take your time. Read books, watch educational videos, ask questions to people you trust. There is no rush. The markets will still be here tomorrow. Focus on building your foundation first. When you are ready, start with very small amounts. This allows you to learn from experience without risking your financial stability. Remember that building freedom is about making better decisions consistently over many years. The earlier you start learning, the greater your chances of building a better financial future for yourself and your loved ones. It is never too late to start, but today is always the best day to begin. If you found this lesson valuable, then I invite you to subscribe to Fida Trade Academy. We are dedicated to making finance easy for everyone to understand, no matter where you are starting from. On this channel, we will continue to simplify complex topics like investing, financial markets, and cryptocurrency. We want to be your trusted partner on your journey to financial literacy. Thank you so much for spending your time with me today. Take care of yourself, keep your mind open to new ideas, and never stop learning. You have the power to change your life through education. I am looking forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, keep moving forward and keep growing. Goodbye for now.